Quercus helps you build and manage your curriculum, whether that be a simple short course or perhaps an undergraduate or postgraduate offering. The curriculum structure allows you to offer many different instances of a course, so you may have different modes of study, for example full-time or part-time, or the course may reside in different locations. And in the curriculum area of Quercus, we have our tasks, which enable us to quickly copy and cancel or even close both course and module, so this saves administrators time and also minimises mistakes. Looking at this Masters of Law as an example, this is a full-time offering, and you can see here that we've got all of the modules, all of the teaching elements that are attached to this particular course. We have a combination of core and optional modules with differing credit values. Using the eye icon, I can see this module in more detail. I can check to see whether there are any requisite rules in play, so we can handle prerequisite, co-requisite and exclusive requisite rules for more complex curriculum. Using the navigation options on the right hand side, I can actually click through and have a look at the class list, so I can check to see the status of all of the students attached to this particular module. Quercus makes it easy to get to where you need to go, so for my list of students I can actually now see their assessments. In this particular example, this is an exam, but it may be the case that you have different assessment types, so there could be an exam, 50% weighting, and maybe an assignment. From here we can click through into the online mark entry and enter some marks for this particular exam. Quercus has calculators that use the mark and grading schemes that you define to calculate the outcome of an individual assessment item and also the student's overall award. These calculators will also be used in progression so that you can progress students from one year to the next. At your discretion, and if you have sufficient access privileges, you can uplift marks. Assessments can be uplifted by a specific mark or by percentage, and you can choose which students this applies to. Conversely, a penalty could be applied, and this is applied as a percentage of the overall mark. Such an outcome may have been decided at an exam board, so your exam board process can also be managed from within Quercus. And you can also choose whether you wish to offer resits, so students that may have failed at the first attempt can be given another opportunity to pass, and any information regarding the resit can be recorded in a dedicated notes facility. Teaching can be scheduled into a calendar, so tutors and administrators can see what they have in their diary for the week ahead. And from here they can click through into an individual class and see the students that are attached to this particular module. Their attendance can be recorded, so here we have a non-medical absence type. I may be interested to know more about this particular student, so I can use the eye icon to look at their full student record. We have an inbuilt notes facility where we can record a variety of different note types that are custom to the institution. So here we can see some more information about this particular student, which may explain their absence. From our suite of delivered reports, we have a module attendance report. So based on attendance reports submitted by tutors, you can see very clearly which students have been present and which have been absent. Anybody with an interest in student success can see very clearly how a cohort of students are tracking on a particular module or course.